Thought I was finally rid of you, trying to break free from the ridicule. When I said I was done, that was literal, but everything to you seems trivial. You a demon that's holding me captive, break me down every time I get active. I'm grappling up my bracket, you said, look at me now, I'm the captain. Man.
RTG coming at you hot like an RPG. Dirty Heads, Sound of Change. Let's go.
I see you've been chasing your monsters and they've been driving you bonkers, just blinding with rocket launchers of. I see you've been chasing your monsters and they've been driving you bonkers, just blinding with rocket launchers of light to blow out their conscious. If you really want to juxtapose and take.
He's doing a lot in there. I see you chasing your monsters bonkers. Monsters make you go crazy, but he said rockets light up the way.
I see you've been chasing your monsters and they've been driving you bonkers, just blinding with rocket launchers.
Just blind them with rocket launchers.
Of light to blow out their conscience.
Light to blow up their conscience. Blind them with rocket launchings. Rocket launch. If you let off a rocket, there's a very bright light coming at you to blow up your motherfucking conscience as well. I like that. I like that. But rocket launchers being also like words to talk to your soul.
They've been driving you bonkers, just blinding with rocket launchers of light to blow out their conscious. If you really want to juxtapose and take a darker color with the blush of rose, and then you put it in your ink and watch it go, your mind is always open when your eyes and take a darker color launchers of light to blow out their conscious. If you really want to juxtapose and take a darker color with the blush of rose, and then you put it in your ink and watch it go, your mind is always open when your eyes are closed, because you're blind to color and you're blind to greed. Put it in your ink and watch it go, your mind is always open when your eyes are closed, because
your mind is always open when your eyes are closed. Your mind don't close. I like that play.
You're blind to color and you're blind to greed, blind to all the things that you don't need, and you find a mind and then you plant a seed, then you nourish it a little, let it free. You're building it up, not breaking it down. Wanna give up, keep holding your ground. Turning it up, not tap to the sound. Oh, the sound of change.
Oh.
The horns are playing the victory sound. I live in the now. The sky's my home and I live in the clouds. Now or never, bound forever. Making a change and making it better. I live for this shit. I love the pain. It's part of the journey. It's part of the game. I've been alone in the dark and the rain. I see you.
I live for this shit. I love the journey, and the pain comes along. I love it. Hey, I live for this shit. Let's go.
It's part of the journey. It's part of the game. I've been alone in the dark and the rain. I see me in and I wasn't afraid. I've been in tears and I wasn't ashamed. I hear a sound that I'm hearing is change.
You're building it up, not breaking it down. Wanna give up, keep holding your ground. You're turning it up, that time for the
Inspirational
sound.
here.
Oh, the sound of change. You're building it up, not breaking it down. Wanna give up, keep holding your ground. You're turning it up, that time for the sound. Oh, the sound.
I like that. I like that. Why is there a bows in the damn shit right here?
Well, they try to put hands on my ears. Oh, the sound. In my heart, I'm still hearing it clear. Oh, the sound. Tell me why do they fear what is real? Oh, the sound. You can't stop what is already here.
was like, if anyone's feeling down, you listen to that, you should get your ass up, basically. So that's definitely get up, get your ass up. You feeling down? Yo, stand it. Your time's gonna come. It's gonna turn around for you. That's what this was about, basically. But y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. Red Top Gang, we out. Peace.